In this video, we'll learn how to draw an angle of the measures 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, 90 degree, 105 degree, 120 degree, 135 degree, 150 degree, 165 degree, 180 degree without using protractor. So we'll make use of compass and ruler to draw the angle of these measures. Now first, with the help of the scale, we'll draw the line, baseline, now with the help of compass, we'll take one point on the line and we'll draw the arc, a semicircle. We'll draw the semicircle which intersect end points lies on the line. Now we know that the measure of angles in the semicircle is, angular measure of semicircle is 180 degree, that is angular measure of arc of a semicircle is 180 degree. Now we'll divide this 180 into 3 parts. So 180 divided by 3 is 60 degree. So first we'll take the same radius here of the semicircle and we'll divide, as it is 180. So 1, 2 and 3 parts. Now each part is of 60 degree. So we'll draw the angle of 60 degree here, which will pass through this. So this is the 60 degree angle and this is 180 degree. Here this is 0 degree, 60 degree, 120 degree, and here it is 180 degree. Now this is 180 degree angles in linear pair. Now we'll draw the angle bisector of 60 degree. Now keep the pointer over here where the arc is cutting, take suitable distance and draw the arc in front of the angle 60 degree and cut this arc. Here we'll get angle 30 degree. This angle is of measure 30 degree. Now still we can divide this 30 degree into 2 parts. Again draw the angle bisector of 30 degree, take suitable distance and draw the arc from here. Draw the another arc and join this. So this is 15 degree, angle bisector of 30, half of 30 is 15 degree. Now angle bisector of this, the angle between 30 and 60. So same procedure, take suitable distance and draw the arc from here. This point, cut that arc, the point of intersection of arc and the center join. This is the angle bisector of 30 and 60, that is 45 This angle is 45 degrees. Similarly, same procedure will apply. We'll draw the angle bisector of 60 and 120. 60 and 120, take suitable distance and draw the arc. From here, cut this arc and draw the angle bisector 30 and 60 and 120, divided into two equal parts, that is 90 degree. Now again we can divide this 60 90 into two parts. So angle bisector, take suitable distance, draw the arc, cut the arc and join. This is the angle bisector of angle 60 and 90, which is 75 degree. Now the angle bisector of 90 and 120, same procedure will do. Draw the arc to the other point, cut the arc and join point of intersection of the arc. So 90 and 120, angle bisector is 75 degree. Now same procedure, your angle bisector is 105 degree, 75 degree. Angle bisector of 90 and 120 is 105 degree. Now same procedure for 120 and 180, angle bisector, take suitable distance, draw the arc and cut the arc in this manner and join the point of intersection of the arcs. So this angle is 150 degree. Now midpoint 150. Now again the angle bisector of 120 and 150. So take suitable distance, draw the arc. From here, cut the arc and draw the angle bisector of 120 and 150, that is 135 degree. And at last, angle bisector of 150 and 180 degree. Draw the arc in front of the angle and intersect that arc. Point of intersection of the arc, join. So this angle is 165 degree. This is how we can draw an angle of measures 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, 90 degree, 105 degree, 120 degree, 135 degree, 150 degree, 165 degree and 180 degree without using the protractor.